This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to introduce my new tool that scans files and source code. If it detects any virus signatures, malware, or malicious patterns, it will identify them instantly. So without wasting time, open your browser, go to my channel, click on the BIOS section, and you'll find a TerraBox link. Just click on it. If you see this page, simply click on Go to Site. It will redirect you to TerraBox. First, double-click on Tool Market and open Windows Software. Then you will see a Tools folder. Select the item using the checkbox and click Save to TerraBox. After that, choose the path or click Go to Cloud Drive. Your storage will appear again selected, and press the download button. Wait until the download process finishes. Once the download is done, go back to your desktop and unzip the tool folder. Open the folder and run the tool. If you see a Windows security pop-up, click on More Info and then click Run Anyway. The tool is successfully launched. Now you can see the tool's easy interface. There you will find the Select File, Select Folder, Scan, Stop, Clear, and Export buttons. Now let's perform a quick single file scan. Don't forget about the scan modes. One is fast mode and the second is deep mode. I will choose deep mode. So first, let's upload the tool and see what it says about it. The file is uploaded. Now click on the scan button. It may show as suspicious because I built the tool using PyInstaller. That's why some old signatures match, which modern security systems sometimes mark as suspicious. But the tool is 100% safe. If you click on the file, you will see below what was matched and which code is suspicious. Now let's move ahead. So press the Clear List button to clear all results. I also prepared some test malware samples, RATs, and other files to evaluate the tool's detection capabilities. Now let's upload the virus folder and see the results. Our folder is uploaded. Now press the scan button and see about all suspicious files. Perfect. Now you can see it shows a verdict of high-risk file and malicious. To see what is inside, like how the virus works or which signature was matched in the file or code, let's look down here. It shows that the file is abusing PowerShell and other malicious patterns. Check further down for more details and try another file to see additional results. It is a malicious file with 23 high-risk detections. Let's read more details about it. It is spyware with surveillance indicators, and it also includes clipboard hijacking and crypto wallet replacement hijacking. Now let's test the last sample. Click on it and scroll down to view more details. As shown, it also abuses PowerShell and attempts to bypass user account control using advanced techniques. You can find more in-depth information here. Next, go back and export the results. Click the Export button. Select a destination path. I'll use the same folder and press OK. Now open the folder where the results were saved and open the file. So double-click to open it. There you can easily see everything about each file you uploaded for scanning, with clear results that are easy for beginners to understand. It can scan for backdoors, RATs, spyware, Trojans, Pegasus, cryptominers, exploits, persistence, hidden files, and base 60 for binaries. I hope you understood the video and the tool, and that it was helpful for you. I recently lost my previous channel, so please show your support here. See you soon with new interesting videos and tools. Thanks for watching.